Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to access Forbidden 403 website error message. So this is usually occurs because the HTTP that you're trying to simply approach is restricted in your region. The easiest fix is NordVPN. Head over to nordvpn.com and click on get NordVPN, get a plan, and you're pretty much good to go. Once you subscribe and activate, you can see we have its really handy extension as well that we can use to quickly connect to any network. You can see the wide range of regions they do offer, and then you can easily avoid this kind of forbidden 403 website error messages which usually occur due to HTTP restrictions. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you around in the next video.